Action.
Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, today I'm going to show about this viral trending reel which you have seen in the preview. If you want to edit this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to edit this trend, you need VN application which is easily found on your Play Store. When you open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, to edit this trend, you need one video and 3 photos. So to import the photo and video, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the photo video from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Okay guys, you can see how to take the photos. Now guys, first you delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9:16. Now guys, first you adjust your photos like this. Now guys, you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first you download that reel from Telegram. After that you have to extract the music from that reel. Okay. Then guys, to extract the music, click on the plus icon on here and click the music option. Now click the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. So click on here and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. Okay, now guys, you have to click on the OK option and click the choose option and have to done from here. In this way music will be added. Okay, now guys, we will trim the photo video. First I trim, after that I will tell you the photo video duration because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the photo video. Now note the photos duration. So guys, you have to keep the video duration for 2.56 seconds and keep the first photo duration for 1.14 seconds. Now guys, next photo duration is 1.8 seconds and last is 0.72 seconds. So guys, you have to keep the durations like this. Your video will be perfect. Now guys, your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Now guys, click on the save to album option and video will be saved. In this way guys, you can make this video very easily. So how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.